Mr. Daniel Obo, former Director General of Cross River State Recreational Park Agency, who resigned about a year ago based on his commitment to Senator John Owaneno following his defection from PDP to APC, has confirmed that he has fallen out with the senator representing the Central Senatorial District of the state. Obo made the confirmation when fielding questions from newsmen at the end of a meet and talk session of Crowdpool, a crowdfunding organization in Transcorp Hotels, Calabar. According to him, the fallout is because he has come to realize that the state senator doesn't have the interests of his community, Obubra, at heart.
I agree that I resigned, about a year ago because of one, but the position we are now, given the political situation where you continue to align, and realign, I think that it's actually not going on smoothly. Yeah, it's not going on smoothly. In all fairness to, both Crossriverians and those who also give us support. And so I can boldly say that, it's not going well for very few reasons. Though they might not really make sense, right? They might not really make sense for very few reasons. One is that, in the course of resignation, first, there's need to clear this air for people to understand that there was no agreement like I was going to end salary. There was no agreement I was going to pay me salary. The one I resigned. Even if, in fairness to him, there was an attempt to doing that. I said no because of principle. Now, we kept rolling in the course of the thing, but we got to a point where we disagree. Senator, we have to disagree. Yeah, I want to disagree because, when we go to the party congresses, or we become chapter chairman, we have two divides in our local government. And the divide is that some people will tell you we just came into the party. But there's this chapter chairman of ours, in all fairness to him, who had tried to give us support. And so we were rooted that he was going to return as chapter chairman. And so in the course of trying to return him, the elders had to have their own candidate. And we went to the senator and said, no, you have to support our own. You got into power very young. And so you cannot continue to support old people against our land. And that for 20 years, these people have bargained for Bubra after the demise of Chief John. For 20 years. For 20 years we have bad roads. For 20 years we have the worst hospital. For 20 years, I give you an instance. Yako was under Obubra. Yako is an area command. Ikom also is an equivalent of Obubra. Ikom is an area command. That division my mother gave birth to me to meet in Obubra is the area division we still have. If you go to our council, everything is down. And so what we are saying is that these guys who went to the market to bargain for us for 20 years, we don't have urban roads. We don't have good hospitals. We don't have hotels. As I speak with you, in the whole of Cross River State, it is only an Obubra man that does not have a hotel. And of course, these hotels were built after 1999. What that means is that the proceeds of building that hotel were not proceeds from farming. They were proceeds from the political economy, which our local government have been deprived of. And so we won't follow them anymore. And so what I find my own principle, going to put financial strength in these people who have bargained for us for 20 years, I had to bargain. Before I got into that appointment, the accord was that I was going to leave over, which I did not accept. As I haven't gotten the appointment and he was leaving, the only way I can let you know that I actually did not accept that offer is to let go. Let me tell you, in fairness to him, for 12 years he governed us without leadership. In 12 years. In 12 years he sat as federal house by Obubra Ito without leadership. Because everything rises and falls in leadership. If in 12 years we have a rallying point in our local government, the challenges we have today about competent representation, we wouldn't have it. We will not. And so if he came back in 2019, and then there is there are young men who are coming out to say, no, as youth of the FJ, we are duty bound to protect our local government. Please, sir, instead of you supporting these elderly people, remove your hand. Remove your hand. That's the point. Now, you cannot come and tell me, as Danobo, that I am not going to support Mr. A because he's not supporting our ambition. I am not going to support Mr. B because he's not supporting Usani's ambition. Talk to our people with ambition from our local government. What I want to hear is that I do not want to support this chapter chairman because he's not going to support this Obubra man who will grow Obubra. Not an outsider. Because there is no Obubra man who went to their LJ to install a chapter chairman of the party. And so for me, my fallout with him today is based on the fact that he gave money to the elders against the decision of the younger generation. That means he does not have respect for the younger generation. At 33, he was instead, I am 35. As of July 20, I was 35. If you don't support the younger generation for a proper bargain, what that means is that you are an enemy of Ogbugbu. Because those you want to give support, for 20 years, they have ruled us and we got nothing.
He concluded by maintaining that individual political ambition is not what he supports if his people are marginalized. Ilan Patricia, Cross River Watch TV.